How to schedule Instagram post. First, make sure you are using an Instagram professional account. Now open the Instagram app. Tap on the plus icon at the bottom to create a post. Select the photo you want to schedule. You can edit your post as you like. Then tap on next. Now here's the important part. Scroll down a little and tap on more options. Turn on the schedule this post toggle. Set the date and time you want your post to go live. Then tap done. Go back and tap schedule. And that's it. Your post is now scheduled and will be published automatically at the time you set.